Hacktron Kids Quantum Interactive Simulator. This is an amazing educational platform designed for kids to learn quantum computing concepts through fun, interactive games and activities. Just type in the URL in your browser's address bar and you'll instantly see the beautiful, colorful home screen. There's a text box that says, "Enter your name." Click on it and type your name. Next, you'll see an age selector. Click on the main menu and select the age range that applies to you. This helps the system customize the games and lessons to match your learning level perfectly. After you set up your profile, you'll meet two amazing companions. School Buddy is your guide to traditional school topics. This is where you'll dive into curriculum-based learning. Math fundamentals. Science concepts. Language and reading. History and geography. Critical thinking skills. School Buddy presents topics in an interactive, game-based way that makes learning course subjects fun and engaging. You'll solve problems, complete challenges, and build strong foundational knowledge. Quantum Buddy is your gateway to the amazing world of quantum computing. This companion takes you on an adventure through quantum superposition games, entanglement puzzles, qubit challenges, quantum computing simulations, mind-bending quantum paradoxes. Quantum Buddy has specially designed quantum games that teach you how quantum computers actually work. These interactive games show you quantum mechanics in action, teleporting information, creating quantum states, and solving problems that regular computers can't. You can switch between them anytime. Want to learn some math first? Go to School Buddy. Ready for some quantum adventure? Switch to Quantum Buddy. It's totally up to you. Two different buddies mean two different types of learning, whatever you're in the mood for. Your progress with both School Buddy and Quantum Buddy is saved, so you can pick up where you left off anytime. Parents can also see your progress by adding a pin and checking your scores in Parents section. Click on either School Buddy or Quantum Buddy to begin. Once you've set everything up, you're ready to go. Choose your buddy, pick your first activity, and let the learning adventure begin. Whether you're exploring school topics with School Buddy or tackling quantum games with Quantum Buddy, you're on your way to becoming a quantum superstar. Welcome to your quantum adventure.